Okay, good morning, first period. How's it going? So, I'm sorry, not first period, second period. So, it's a lot of you guys are in first period, you're in second period. So, this is what we did in first period. And we're bringing all the work we did over there. So, you're going to fold your sheet of paper first. Okay, and we're going to be doing it in both periods. And then you're going to fold a sheet of paper again twice, which we did. Then we're going to flip it and flip it. They have to be perfect, they have to be precise. Okay, so again, you grab your sheet of paper, you folded it, and you should get this. It needs to look like this perfect. If it's off, make it into scratch paper and start again. It has to be each. We're going to use 6 squares here and 1 here at the bottom. Now I'm going to show you what we did. And I'm going to. These are in the instructions. We're going to label it juxtapositioning, overlapping, value, perspective, space, texture, and number 7, landscape or scenario. You don't want to use the Italian word for it, but so it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, number 7. And I was, God, I can't believe it. I should have been in Italy this year. So now that you folded it, and make sure you number it on the back, we're going to start working on it. Now, a lot of you guys don't have precise rulers, and I do, but I'm going to pretend we do have them, or we don't. So for number 1, and this is for second period, we're going to draw, first of all, go about an inch, measure it, and here I'm going to draw a table. Okay. Yeah, let's do it. Does help to have this ruler. Does help. Let's go a little bit higher. So I'm going to go this way. See what I did, guys? Okay. And I just realized it's a little bit crooked. Okay, whoops. Not happy now. I just folded my sheet of paper. I didn't want to do that. Okay, and we're going to be erasing a lot. So now I did this. Here's my tabletop. Okay, so I went horizon line, and then I did a diagonal line. I'm going to do the same thing up here, except opposite. I'm going to draw a window. So I'm going to go this way. I'm going to flip this around so you guys can see that. Then, see what I did, guys? Okay. There you go. See that? So now I am going to do, let's see if I can do my 3 circles. 1, should be 2. Whoops, one's going to go, see, this one's off. Oh, Lord. I'm going to have to erase the whole thing again. And this one's going to be almost ready. It's going to be ready to fall off the edge. Not happy with it. So, here you guys go. So I'm going to pretend I have a light here. I'm going to draw my little light bulb hanging from here. It's going to give my light reflection, my strong light. However, I also have, and let me show you how I do my mountains. So my light's coming from this this side. Okay, if you want to put a little cloud, okay, go for it. I'm not putting that much. I use thin outlines for looks like smoke now. Looks like probably like so this means if my light's coming from here, my shadow's gonna go this way. And it's an elliptical shadow. I'm gonna erase this. I'm not really happy how my circle came over here. It's not 360 degrees, so sometimes you're gonna have to. So you can find a substitute to make a ruler. I'm not really happy with these, but so what we're doing is just positioning, but with value. Remember we did the sphere? Okay, so now we're gonna draw our shadow. And I am using cross hatching. I need to lift this up. I'm gonna draw 3 oranges. Okay, guys? I'm gonna draw 3 oranges right here. My light's coming from this reflection. Very softly. So again, my shadow here. I used to do lines. You can do lines too. And it helps, but I found out this is much quicker. Blend in the lines. Make sure you don't want to see the bottom line of the line. I'm not happy with this orange right now. I don't know, something in here that's not. So you're creating a value. And we'll talk about value more on the next. So, okay. If you're watching this in period 1, it's okay, you're good. But if you're doing this this is officially the period 2 Fridays period 2 assignment. So I'm gonna come to this line here, give it more. I'm gonna try to blend it away. Okay, so now see what we got, guys. I'm sorry. See what we got. Okay. So now, so I drew the lines here. I'm going to do the top of the oranges. Whoops, that looks awkward. Make a little cylinder here. We'll talk about cylinders later on. So my light is coming. And then flip it around. There you go. You should have this. Let's blend this a little bit more. Here we go. Looks like it's sunset already out there, but indoors the lights are on. So there you go. Just take a picture of this and submit it, and we're good. Okay, that is your assignment for today, Friday. We're gonna be doing the other pictures too. So this is not perspective, but just positioning. So we put number 1, just positioning, and we know what it is. There you guys go. And whoops, and I'm not even happy here now. So there we go. Cover that up. Cover this up. But, oh, wait, we're not done yet, guys. Gotta give it just a little bit texture. And then on the sides, it's gonna be darker here. We're gonna do just on the sides or farther away from the light. Maybe down here, darken this side a little bit more. Like I said, when you think you're done, take a picture and submit it. Blend that in. This needs to be blended more. So we got 3 grapefruits with. I used to make them oranges, but they look like grapefruits. There you go. So when you're done with these 3, you should be good. Okay, guys? Okay, talk to you later.